Example 13. Determine the set of natural numbers that have the same residue 23 when they divided 311 and 419. Their solutions: the natural numbers that leave 23 when reduced when they divided 311, and 419 will be bigger than 23 and will be common divisor of both. 311 minus 23 equal 228, and 419 minus 23 equal 396. Now 288 and 396. With the set of natural numbers that is larger than 23 in the divided 228, 288 will be A, and here 288 equal 1 into 228, 2 into 144, 3 into 96, 4 into 72, 6 into 48, and 8 into 36, 9 into 32, and 12 into 24 equals 16 into 18. All are equals, and in the head is 24, 32, 36, 30, 48, 72, 96, 144, 288. All are the product of all are the common number of 228 product. Uh, let's the set natural numbers. Then 28 divided by 396 is B. Same as 6 is 1 2 and 2 equal to 198, 3 equal to 132, 4 99, 6 66, 9 into 44, 11 into 36, and 12 into 3, and 18 equal 22. Same as B equal 30, 33. Lowest number is 33. Lowest number 33, but it is 23 to bigger, and the number is 18. It is must be listed, and 33, 36, 30. All are the bigger than 23. Same as 24, 32, 66. All are the bigger 23. The both A set and B set, we have got two sets. A set and B set. The both set has the numbers bigger than 23. Now A set equal when A intersect B, that means common set. Both are common. And here is 30. B is 33. No, there is no 33. 24. 32, 36, 48, 72, 69, 154, 208. We'll take the common numbers from this set in an intersect. Intersect must be the only one common set, 36. There is the source of set 36. This is the answer of this question. I hope all students got it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and subscribe for more. Subscribe the video.